Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows Update error 0x800f080a, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So the first solution is to run the Windows Update troubleshooter. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and select troubleshoot. Select other troubleshooters. Select run corresponding to the Windows Update troubleshooter. Okay, this will troubleshoot the issue. It will start searching for it and troubleshoot it eventually. And the next one is to reset all Windows Update components. How would we do that? Okay, we have a script. So we have to copy this script. I'll share it with you in the description section of the video. We'll have to copy this script. Then search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Paste the script here and hit enter. Now I'll tell you what this does. It will stop all the services associated with Windows updates. Then it will delete the Windows Update profile. Then it will delete the software distribution in cat-root2 folders. Then it will re-register the DLLs. Then it will reset WinSock. And then finally it will restart the services. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. And if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.